Hello everyone, welcome to TechMix. To install the game, you download the Epic Games launcher. So you can go to the Epic Games website, and then you can install this Epic Games launcher on your computer. So you can run this .exe file, and you can install Epic Games Launcher. Once Epic Games Launcher is installed, you can you can create an account. If you don't have an account, create an account and log in. Once log in, you can go to Store in the Search Store option. You can type in the name of the game, and over here you can see the game over here. So click on it, and over here you can see Base Game. Right now it's free, and the sale ends on December 18th, 2025 at 9:30 p.m. So till then, you can install this game for free. So over here you can see the Get option. Click on Get, and then over here you can see the price is 0 right now. Place order, and here you can see View in Library. Click on it, and you can go to Library, and here you can see the game and you will see the Install option. If you want to change the drive, you can click on over here, Change the drive, and then you can click on Install over here. Click on Yes to allow, and over here you can see the game. Click on it, and you should be able to see the installation progress. So the game is installing right now. So this is how you can download, install, and play the game on Epic Games Launcher. So that'll be all.